together to do a tour review of the Stormtrooper surprise. It's the Stormtrooper transport. It includes 4 Stormtroopers. Here's the front of the box. It includes stuffed shooters. This is a Stormtrooper transport. You might recognize it from Star Wars Rebels. It has launching missiles and includes 4 Stormtroopers. It includes the transport, and it's made by Disney, you see right there, and the Stormtroopers are exclusive. And includes stud shooters for the Stormtroopers. It includes a missile launcher on their transport. It includes 4 Stormtroopers. Time to go to the back of the box. You can see that it ranges. It includes 141 pieces, and includes it's on Star Wars Rebels. Recognize it on Star Wars Rebels. Watched it. Time to open it. Here's the instruction booklet. Let's get the box out of the way. And the set number. Oh, I forgot the set number. I almost forgot that. The set number is 75078. That's a set number. Watch me build it. And it says you have to sort all pieces by color. Here are the scissors. There's the back. Well, I don't need the scissors. I know how to open bags. And it's time to pour this back. Whoa! How piece just fall off the table. Gotta get it. Here we go. Here we go. Here it goes out. And I know how to make the Stormtroopers. Just do this. Ooh, they have the same expression as the same Shell Troopers, which I didn't do a tour review of. Okay, one Stormtrooper made. I'll be building this now on camera, and bye!